Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Darwish Rafiq bin Muhammad Fadli. So today I will be presenting about my practical project for the subject engineering drawing. I'll be presenting about engineering drawing. Introduction of AutoCAD. Purpose of AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a CAD software by Autodesk used for creating precise 2D and 3D designs across industries like architecture, engineering, and manufacturing. Key features: it offers 2D drafting, 3D modeling, and parametric tools with support for DWG and DXF file formats, enabling versatile and flexible designs. Platform and certification available on Windows, Mac OS, and mobile. AutoCAD provides training and certification for professional skill development. Versions of AutoCAD. AutoCAD software was firstly launched by Autodesk Company in December 1982. It is originated in India in the year 1988. The first version of AutoCAD was the R1 version. After that, R2 version, R3 version, R4 version, and so on. Autodesk launched a version of AutoCAD, AutoCAD 26, and was released in early 2025. It is currently the latest version of AutoCAD that you can own. So this is the AutoCAD 2021 screen, which has the quick access toolbar, application menu, viewport control, file tabs, ribbon, cursor, view tabs, nav bar, status bar, command prompt line, and layout tab. So this is the way to provide command at the prompt bar, command prompt line. You can type any command you wish, for example, line or trim, and so on. So how AutoCAD works. AutoCAD is a CAD software used to create 2D drawing and 3D models. Uses command and tools, line, circle, rectangle, to draw objects. Allows input of exact measurements and coordinates for accuracy. Uses layers to organize different parts of drawing. Provides modified tools. Move, copy, rotate, trim to edit designs. Includes annotation tools for dimensions and notes. Designs can be saved, edited, and printed easily. Helps produce precise and professional technical drawings. Coordinate system. So this is the coordinate system. Everything that we draw in AutoCAD is exact. All object drawn on screen is based on simple X and Y coordinate system. In AutoCAD, it is known as World Coordinate System, WCS. The UCS and WCS. The AutoCAD world in three-dimensional. However, if we want to draw a 2D object, such as plan or a section, we will use only two dimensions, X and Y. WCS, World Coordinate System, in the imaginary plane that is parallel to the ground. It is default coordinate system. Modification made to World Coordinate System, WCS, results in User Coordinate System, UCS. It is the plane that you work on. It enables the users to draw three-dimensional objects. To create a new UCS, type UCS on the command window, then type new and specify 3 points on your new UCS plane. So these are the examples of 2D commands: chamfer, fillet, copy, and mirror. Scale, extend, join, and array. So next, 3D modeling. Solids contains the best properties of 3D objects. Solid toolbar can be used for readily accessible objects. For example, box, cylinder, cone, sphere, wedge, as shown here. Box, cylinder, cone, sphere, pyramid, wedge, and torus. The Boolean operation can be used for more complicated shapes. Union, join two solids, and subtract, carve out the second solid from the first. So this is an example of 3D models. So you have a lot of shapes. Next, 3D command. First is extrude. Extrusion can extend the Z direction or be set to taper or follow a path. You can extrude an open or close object to create a 3D surface or solid. If you extrude a surface into the third dimension, you simply add a thickness in section. So what I've done here is extrude 15 units. Next is press pull. The press pull command in AutoCAD 3D is used to create an area form by the closed boundary and also used to pull an enclosed boundary. The press pull command is also used to cut a part from the whole object. Examples for creating a hole. So here I press pull a circle to 4 units. AutoCAD benefits: improve quality over handwriting, easy to alter and modify drawings, precise and accurate drawings, easy to transfer and share, and save or store for a long period of time. About my project. For my project, I've done a turbocharger. Turbo generally refers to a turbocharger, a device that boosts engine power by using exhaust gas to force more air into the cylinder. It is used in cars and better speed efficiency. So here we have the uh, picture of a turbocharger. So the application here. So for my project turbocharger, this is the project description. So as you can see, for the first, it has 5 elements. So for the first element, it has turbo housing, the hot side. Second, the turbine wheel. And the third one is a center hub rotating assembly, CHR8. Fourth, we have the shaft and compressor wheel. And lastly, we have the compressor housing for the cold side. So project description, we have to do isometric and orthographic drawing. Then the dimension unit is in millimeter. Common command use: press, pull, extrude, trim, join, subtract, and chamfer edge. So this is my turbo housing. This is my turbine wheel. This is my center hub rotating assembly. This is my shaft and compressor wheel. And this is my compressor housing. So this is my project assembly after assembling all the parts together. So this is my assembly drawing report. As you can see, it is all of the 5 elements have been joined together to become a turbo. So for the conclusion, during the development of the course project, this is the following type of work that I've been performed. Learning the basic necessaries to work in AutoCAD drawing, setting up the layers and styles, apply the command of subtraction and extrusion, press pull, chamfer edge, 3D model designs, details and creation of a section of the object in 3D, learning and making new objects that requires more work and more complicated than before. So that's all. Thank you for your attention and listening. Thank you very much.